Hi, I'm Christian, and I have a special offer for you. One day at the trainers meeting in Paris, 2020, the 4th of August, I will make with you a workshop about emotionSync. That's a method that will really solve traumas in the brain in a very, very fast way. I think it's the fastest way to solve traumas, to treat them really sustainable and lasting. And that is very important. I show you as well how the brain works and the new fields in the brain. And all things, all traumas in the brain must be opened, and the synapse. And then you can treat them, solve them, erase them, and then you can put a newer good habit or thinking or belief in your mind. And the effect is you need energy. And if you want to change something, to make it in another way, you have to put energy in it. If you have two magnetics stick together and there's a magnetic energy between here and that fixed it, and if you want to put it away, you need more energy and the energy which hold that together. And that is the way how our brain works. In our brain is a new electric field that stick together, and trauma, old habits, old beliefs, and so on. And if you want to put it away, you need more energy. And to get the energy into the brain, you have to stimulate the brain. And you need to stimulate the senses. And into the senses, we have to put more energy. You have to think in your trauma, and then the neural links are connected. And if they are connected, as associated, then it is possible to stimulate. You have to put energy into it, and if the energy is high enough, the disconnection happens. And the energy in electric fields is gone, not covered, it is gone. And it's very easy to learn emotionSync and the methods with emotionSync to disconnect old neural links, old traumas, old beliefs, which are not good for you. And then you can put a new one into it, which are better for your luck, for your life, for all the things, whatever you want. And you have to stimulate the senses. And how it is, it's like EMDR a little bit, but EMDR is not so much in energy. I put a plus on it. You need more energy. You have to accelerate it. And if you know collapsing anchoring, or anchoring as well, and stick together. But if you start to make it faster, there's energy on it. Then, in the brain, there's amygdala. This part is measuring the energy which comes with the information into your mind. And if the energy is high enough, it will store it directly, or you can distort it if you do it in a right way. And this method is scientifically, with a PhD work, proven. And I did it with hundreds of people. And I educated and trained a lot of coaches and psychotherapists in this kind of method to help people and help yourself to be a very good and fast coach and psychotherapist. And this is the chance that you can get it on the trainers master meeting in Paris. I'm Christian, I'm a PhD in psychology, and I'm an engineer, an electric and informatic. And I figured that out because I am both. And both means I'm in different kind of landscapes, in psychology and physics. And if you put physics and psychology together, it works. But you can't get it if you study psychology, and you don't get it if you study engineering or physics. But put you both together and know how the brain works. And the synapses in the brain are a little bit like this. And this is an electric device called capacitor. And in that it is stored the energy and the information. And you have to change it with another energy, so you can put a new habit inside and you believe inside. But you need energy, the right energy, and with emotionSync you will get a scientific proven PhD work in psychology and physics, how the brain works and how you can treat and solve ways, problems, traumas and so on. We will see you at the trainers meeting 2020 on the 14th August. We see you.